くしゃみ、英語で言える？これ意外と出てこないですよね。今回は生理現象の英語をまとめて紹介します。くしゃみ sneeze. I caught the cold and can't stop sneezing. 咳 cough. I have a bad cough. あくび yawn. I can't stop yawning. しゃっくり hiccup. I got the hiccups after drinking soda. ため息 sigh. I sighed when I saw the mess. 鼻をすする sniff. I sniffed because I was crying. 鳥肌が立つ get goosebumps. That songs always give me a goosebumps. 保存して覚えてね。